Hi guys, I hope you're doing good. I hope you're well. Today I want to share with you a situation that happened to me and the lesson that I got from that situation. So a couple of years ago, like 6, 7 years ago, I was doing a seminar with a big company that I was doing a seminar on sales strategy. I've been doing coaching for 15 years, business coaching, sales coaching, and I was doing this seminar for one of the biggest company in Canada, and all the salesmen everywhere from Quebec and Canada came for that seminar that I was doing, and I start the seminar, and you know what? I start doing it. I start talking and explaining the strategy, and you know what happened? I had a panic attack for the first time of my life. I was working very hard at the time. I was doing a lot of coaching, a couple seminars, but a lot of coaching. I was like living. Working very hard. I was doing well. I had great success with my business, my coaching business. But you know, I was a little tired. So I start the seminar. I was standing up. You know, I was explaining the strategy, and maybe like 3 minutes from the starting of the seminar, I had this panic attack. And you know what? I didn't know what it was because I had never had a panic attack in my life. So I was starting to sweat and to be dizzy, and I was trying to keep going, you know, because my pride, you know, it was a big company that hired me, paid me very good money, and it was a media company. And so I was telling myself, okay, keep going, keep going, keep going. Even I was really sweating, you know, and I was dizzy, and I was telling myself, okay, keep continue, because my pride was there, you know. I want to deliver the message, the seminar and the strategies, and I I was about to faint. You know, it was very bad situation, and I said to everybody, okay, I'm not feeling well, and I left the room. But the decision to open myself up was very important. To say, you know, let's put my pride aside, you know, and tell them that you're not feeling well, and that decision was important, because I said, "Oh, I'm not feeling well, and I have to stop." And I left the room, and the manager came in to see me. The guy who hired me for that seminar that I was doing with the salesmen everywhere from they came from everywhere from Quebec and Canada. So I was like, I cannot let them down. You know, I have to do this seminar. And I left the room, and the manager came and see me, and it was very understanding. He's like, okay, we're gonna get you some water. Sit down here. We see it. You're not feeling well, you know. And I was thinking to myself, because they had a room there, you know. It was in a hotel, so I had a room paid by the company who hired me to do the seminar. And I was thinking to myself, I'm gonna go in my room. There's no way I'm going back in this room to do this seminar, you know. I was telling myself, I'm gonna go in my room. I'm gonna feel sorry for myself, because you know, it didn't go well. I was not feeling well at all, and I didn't know I was doing a panic attack at the time. I have no idea what it was. So the manager is like, okay, take some water, take 15 minutes to relax, you know. And if you want, you could rest for 15 minutes here. And after, you could go back, and where you could sit down, you know, do your seminar sitting down. And there was two manager, me, and he was saying to me, me and Tom could help you, you know, in the seminar, to make sure it goes well. And it's up to you. It's your decision, you know. You could go to your room, or you could go back and do the seminar, and sit down, but just relax here for like 15 minutes. And after, if you want, it's your decision, you could go. So you know what, guys, the lesson in my situation, what happened to me, I had success, I was doing very good coaching, good result, good seminars and everything, I never give up, and I thought the decision I made is, okay, I'm gonna go back in there and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna do the seminar. But that was a very hard decision to make because I was not feeling good at all. I could quit, but the lesson for me in that situation is the magic of opening up. Because if I didn't do that, if I didn't open up and said I was not feeling well, it would be a different story. So I took the decision to go back in the room and to do my seminar, but sitting down. And it was incredible. I did a fantastic seminar. All the salesmen, they were so happy. They loved it. The manager came and see me after the seminar. They loved the seminar. I did one of the best seminar I did in my life, And the lesson on that situation is, if I didn't take the decision to open up and to stay in my pride and to stand up there sweating and dizzy, you know what it would happen if I didn't take the decision to open up and say, oh, I'm not feeling well, I'm sorry, and leave the room? I would have fallen down on the floor and it would be a completely different story. So what I learned in that story is not only that I won in my situation, because I won. I was not doing well at all. I was one knee on the floor, like we say, and I got up and I did that seminar, and that was a success. I made a success out of that situation. But the biggest success on that is not only the seminar, is when when you open up, magic things happen. The two manager helped me. They helped me in the seminar. And so that's what I want to share with you, is when we open up, very, very nice thing happen. That's what happened to me. I choose to open up, and to open up to say, oh, I'm gonna go back in this room, even though I didn't look good before. I didn't look good. I'm supposed to be the guy who does a seminar, the guy who's always perfect, who's always incredible. So that was a very nice decision of myself. Say, okay, let's put the pride aside and go back in this room and do the seminar. It's because I opened up with the two managers and they helped me. And it was a great seminar. I'm very proud of the seminar, the success I had with this big company. And after that, we went to have dinner together, and everybody were saying, okay, that was incredible, the seminar you did. So that was a very nice lesson for me. I would like to share that with you today. So, if I think about this, if I took the other decision, and say, okay, I'm gonna go back to my room and feel sorry for myself because it was not good at all, it would be a very different story. So I never give up in that situation. I didn't give up, but the important thing to remember, what I'm sharing with you right now, is to open up. When it's time to open up in life, we need to open up ourselves and say, oh, I'm not feeling good. Oh, I'm not, because when we open up, new possibilities open. So if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. And that's what I want to share with you. Take care. Bye-bye.